This is Eric.
I'm out here in the air. I'm fighting the enemy out here. We're over in Nazi territory. There are about 87,364 Nazis. 362 Nazis. Yes! I'm gonna get some more of them. Alright, you ready, co-pilot? Hey, where's the co-pilot? Oh, they must have got it. I'm gonna have to do both. Okay, here we go. 347. 341. No. 340. Yes. Okay. Boost pump. Let's pull the throttle. Yeah. I'm gonna go. Hey. Start doing your job over there, boy. Let's get the radio station going here. Yeah. KZLA. Yeah. All right. Off we go. Let's get the vacuum going. Let's get some landing lights on there. Boost pump, yeah. Get that going. Go throttle. Oh, we're under attack. Get down. Shattered glass all over the place. Ooh, let me get my sandwich out. I'm getting hungry. Another bite sandwich. Okay. Are you still doing nothing over there? Get out of the plane. You're worthless. Yeah. We did it. We completed the mission. On to board 2 now. Ooh, bonus round. This is where you pop all the balloons in the air. Yeah. They need popping music for that. That's why they call it pop.